Hello guys, Chris is here. So today I'm back with another video and it's cooking disaster part 4, I think. 4, yes, 4. So today we're gonna make croissant because I don't know, I just watched baking videos in the night and basically I just want croissant. So yes, we're gonna make it. And because it would take me like 8 fucking hours to make the thing for like, so basically the yes, I am just I can't wait 8 fucking hours to like let it sit, and so I ended up buying this. Yes, my English is pretty shitty still, but yeah, look at köszönöm. Why am I talking in my English accent while talking to my mom in Hungarian? Anyways, yes. So I guess oh. Mindegy. Yes. So basically I have here the part that I'm gonna bake, of course, obviously, but yes. Ew. Yes, so yes. What now? Huh? Нет. Do you want to help me with like the part of the video while you're like filming the stuff? Maybe? Yeah. Okay. Akarsz videózni nekem?
Mit videózni?
Hát, ahogy nyújtom ezt a szart meg minden.
Ezt kivághatod.
Mit?
Tehát, amit mondtál?
Yeah. So basically, I'm gonna make it the. My English is terrible right now. Okay, never mind. So now we're gonna do this because I have to. I don't know why, but I have to. Ew. Whee! Yes. I should probably do something more like.
What's this, man?
Yes, we don't need. Ooh. Okay, so basically, I'm good. I swear I'm okay. Thanks. So. Good. We're just rolling it. You spin me around like baby right now. Na, 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 na. Yes, sorry. I'm here. Eat. So basically what I'm gonna do is take a knife and cut this up like you ain't seen nothing. You didn't see anything. Nem baj. Hagyjad. Jó ez. Okay, and isn't this a bit too big? My channel is English, okay? I speak in English, not in
De
Hungarian.
egyformák legyenek.
Shut up!
Tudod mi az, hogy egyforma?
De nem érdekel, hát így
De
tetsz.
hát nem fog egyszerre sülni.
Cut my life into pieces, this is my last resort. Ez meg vastag lesz. Kuc. So, yes, they look terrible, and I know, okay? So, they look terrible, but when did it stop me from doing anything? Like, this is cooking disaster, so it's normal. Ooh. So, we're gonna start out with
Mi lenne a szélsével kezdeni?
this one and start rolling it up. Then it's gonna look pretty.
Jézus.
It's so. It looks weird. But it's good anyway.
Malacok lesznek.
Shut up!
Hízdó malacok.
Shut up! Also, I don't know why I'm talking to her in English while she doesn't even know the language. Like, what? It's pretty, okay? It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Wow. 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 Yogo Bella. Yogo Bella.
Animal Planet. Ugye ez már másiknak a végét felkonkodik.
Oh, shit.
Ugye oda, mit csinál.
So, really pretty. I mean, it's pretty.
Disznókod.
It's gonna be good. Like, it's really not that bad. It just needs a little shaping. Kifolyik belőle. Na nem baj. Nem baj. Nem baj. It's really not that
Azt
bad.
hittem körbe nyomod.
It's not like blood or anything. I'm not fucking Romania. No, go away. Mi van?
11 darab.
Meg fogom enni. Én.
Ja.
I'm gonna film the process. Putting those beauties in this thing. I think this is the prettiest out of all of them.
Ha úgy raknád, hogy mindenki beleférjen. Ez nem van rossz.
Bele fog férni. It's really not that bad. It's gonna taste good, I guess. I mean, come on, it doesn't... I don't really care how it looks like, I just care about... Oh, the taste. I should really drink something, though. Kuc.
Ebből a család nem lakik jól.
These two look really good.
Azzal mi van?
And yes, you know what we're gonna do with this one?
Pucértészta.
Igen.
Jézus is.
I mean, come on, it's good, it's okay. It's totally fine. Yes, it's fine, okay? It's just fine, the way it is. And now we're gonna put it in the oven. It's an oven, I think. Is it an oven? So yeah, now we're gonna wait until this gets hot, and then put it in, and then when it's done, take it out. And we're gonna take this from here. Okay, see you guys in some seconds. For you guys at least. Okay, so like, I guess they're done, so I guess I'm just gonna put some sugar on it. Cause why not? Cause I can allow myself.
Nem kell egy kiló cukorra.
And-
Hagyd ott.
Biztos?
Igen.
Hoppá. Also, there's the other ones. And yeah. Tegyek azokra is.
Igen, de nem egy kiló.
Okay, so
Csak úgy nincs meg mindegyik.
yes. And then here we got this. This is my favorite, to be honest. It's so small. It's just perfect, I guess. Yes. So I guess this is it.
Annyi cukrozva se.
And it tastes good. Which is pretty surprising, I guess. Because I didn't expect it to be actually good. So, yeah. This is it for today. And have a great day, everyone. Fuck, no. Have a great day, everyone. Chris was here. Bye.